So here we are at Kalmahina State Wayside Park. This is where you can watch the moon rise. That's why it's called Kalmahina. Okay, so there is a big squall coming in. And it's really cool to see it, the dark gray blue clouds moving in over the ocean. This is also the place of many, many wild cats and chickens, but somebody feeds them. So they have a life here. Ew, it's really muddy. Look at all that mud. Mud, mud, mud. Okay, ooh, look at that.
It's going to be dry for long here today.
Wow. There's Kenai Peninsula. And the big dark clouds coming in. We've had so much rain today, and there's more coming. There's the road. So here we are in the jungle.
Yeah, one is just pouring out of it.
Yeah.
Turn up here.
Oh, this is so pretty.
Around the corner is Hana, about another, what, 10, 12 miles?
Yeah. So there's some bays onto the right of the screen. You can't see them, but Honomanu Bay, and then there's another bay that nobody ever goes to. Big, dark, deep clouds. And there's the eucalyptus trees. It's about 5:30, and so we have some lovely evening light.
Here goes the bat.
Yeah, you're batty all right, Glennie. Batty, batty, batty. There's Pepper Dog. Come on, Pepper.
Oh, no.
She's always got to go right to the edge. She's sniffing. Okay, so let's go up a little further. This goes up and up and up and up. I'm sure lots of people come here, but by the time we get here, after the tourists are all gone, it's nice and quiet. There's another shot of Kenai. And there's a traveler's palm. Whoa, I don't think it's gonna be dry here for much longer. The squalls are coming. Here it comes. Here it comes. I can hear the ocean down there. Okay. I'll start filming again when it starts pouring rain. Oh, God. So we're descending down the road into Honomanu Bay, and yes, the rain has come in. So it's pouring rain. And oh, God, there's some big puddles on this road. It's a good thing we're in Alan's truck and not in our car, which has a very low clearance.
Next time.
Whoa. Down we go. Close to the beach. Closer, closer. That squeaker, that's the main windshield wipers. They're really noisy. The battery's about ready to go. Wow, look at all these holes. This road used to be pretty darn nice.
Yeah.
But now it's a mess.
Degraded a little bit.
Water, water everywhere.
These are holes, these are like mines.
Yeah. Whoa! There's a red Jeep. Somebody's here. Wow. Doesn't look too inviting now. It was nice just like half an hour ago. It was beautiful. So here's Honomanu Bay on the truck. There's a river over there. And we go to the bay. And then there's some more plants over there. That's it. That's the bay. Not too good for swimming in. But the river over there is very nice for swimming. It's fresh water that goes into the ocean. And it's nice and cool and clean. So here we are back up on the road again. That's Honomanu Bay from the road. And the clouds are low on the mountaintops. Not many places to pull off coming up here, so this is as good as I could do. But oh, that's a good shot. There's Honomanu Bay. It's so pretty. But we were just down there, and then you can see the road coming up the hillside there. And right up here is the tallest part of the Hana Highway with a view. It's gorgeous up there. Someday I'll take a picture. There's an African tulip tree. Oh, look at how misty it is. Beautiful. Just beautiful. This is cane grass. It's very invasive. And there's the truck waiting for me. And there's the road, continues on. Up and up and up we go. And that's it.